Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And tonight, we're just going to do some tuning of the bands. I'm not going to try to look up what frequency I've got, what station I've got. I'm just going to write it down, and then I'll put in the description below this video what I think the program was on a given frequency. So that's how we're going to do it. It is 7:52 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm using the Grundig 750 and the G5 RV antenna. We're just about pegged. The stations have to be pretty strong to get above the noise level, which is at the like 90% level. So we're just going to tune the bands. I'm going to turn the audio back up, and here we go. Okay, at 5.950. 5.950. It's coming in pretty clear. Not sure what that could be. All right, we're going to move on. They're a little stronger there. Could be 5.955. That's 5.975. Sounds like two stations there. One English, one Spanish. Moving on. Yep. Very clear.
A lot of people have the concern that the variation is high, and the lock-up period is of 3 years.
Meters
quite
pegged.
long. So what's your take on that?
Well, I think, again, it really depends on one's industrial objectives. So, one is saying...
Almost sounds like China radio.
A useful fund
Moving on.
a solid wealth fund with a fairly long...
6.000. Turn that down a little bit. Kind of weak. I would say 6055.
to import voters that will, of course, vote for them. But the best laid plans are
6.110.
So let me ask you this question. As the EU accelerates its collapse,
Sounds like England, maybe, UK.
they don't take any illegal. It seems it's only way to look faster. Looking at the feelings.
6170. Sounds Spanish. something there. I can't tune it in. Let me zoom in a little bit here so you can see the display a little better. Should have done that before. Something in the mud there. Might be on single sideband. Let's try it. I bet you this is a pirate. .935. I bet you that's a pirate station. Coming and going there. Let's go back to non-sideband. Okay, they were in the amateur radio band, so let's skip above that. There, that's loud and clear. There you go.
South Carolina in the United States of America.
South Carolina. Must be the hour. Yep. Spanish. It's strong. 7375. It's strong. 7395. Could be Radio Habana. Data. .490. .7570. .730. Okay, I think that's enough. We tuned from about 5.9 to 8.0. My point here is that there's still plenty of stations on shortwave. It's just hitting it at the right time. I think the solar flux index is, well, let me just check for here for a second. See what the solar flux index is. Solar ham. Help if I could type. And here we go. It is 70. So it's a little better, still not much, but a little better than 68. And reception is good. I mean, I just tuned a little segment of the band and I got probably 15, 20 stations. So that's my point. I just wanted to show you that shortwave is still very active. There's still a ton of stations out there. It's just a matter of whether you can receive it or not. This is kind of best case for me, which is the Grundig 750 and my G5RV antenna. The only better setup I have is the Grundig 800 with a MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this show. Don't give up on shortwave. Bye-bye.